We started off as greenhouse farmers, as open field farmers, where we're growing basically brassicas, vegetables, tomatoes, under open field. Saka we have migrated to greenhouse farming. So far, as Kunze Vegs, we now have got 2 greenhouses sit under us. This is a 200 square meter greenhouse constructed by Total Farm Solutions. This is the second crop. Yataisa. We were mainly driven by the cost margins versus the profit return, profit for the dollar invested. When we're doing open field crops, we realized that we were putting more in terms of the dollars, but what we would get in terms of the dollar invested was poor because of the variances, because of my issues anenge achiri kuitika mumacross medu zvinhu zvakafanana nemapests, also adverse weather conditions. They were creeping on us zvakanyanya. Chando chinoredusawo. It's not kuti hamupinde chando, but it's easier to manage it kana riri under greenhouse management. And also muchando macho we also employ other measures zvakafanana plastics, where we can also cover the crop, the plastic. Saka kana tikacover mu greenhouse, we actually tend to do better because tiketa manage nyaya yechando ichocho, maroots edu they become warm. Saka zvatakazoona zvichitibatsira because we are still able to produce even in winter when others are failing. Cucumber ramuri kuona iri takaridyara musi wa 16 July. 16 July tanga tichiri muchando, takatosafa tuma issues twe ground frost, kutonhora kwepasi. Saka rakati drege zvaro mbichana, but we started harvesting this cucumber musi wa 4 October patanga vari harvester, and to date we have harvested 9 fruits per plant, and we are still going. Tava mu 7th week, saka tichine dzimwe 13 weeks dzekurikohwa, already tasvika pa 9 fruits. Saka mukaita metsi dzacho mumarket ezvinezvi cucumber riri kutorwa between, depending nemarket, you can be supplying for around 50 cents, vamwe vari kutora around 75 cents, depending nemarket yauri kuendesa. It's a very high yield potential iyo cucumber as a crop, but rinodawo kumanagewa zvakanaka. Zvakanaka zvacho zvinouya sei? Zvinouya with the guidance atinenge tichibatsirwa. Total Farm Solutions vane ma-experts avo, they've got the agronomists who also come to assist us in terms of how to, best practices to employ. Kana tikaitawo ma-issues, mamwe ma-pests hatigoni kuwawo, tinogona kutadza kuwaona in time, but kana taona we should quickly report. Ndipo paya panouya nyaya yekuti tipote tichi-scout our crops so that we quickly get them, kuti vati mamwe tisadisturb nyaya yeyield yedu tachitaura. We are looking at our cucumber. Ma-cucumbers edu tinoharvesta kana ava from around 33 centimeters to 35 centimeters. As you can see, this one is ready for harvesting. Depending on the market, vamwe vanoda long, ngari long and straight, and vatombodo rakakela. Saka kana tikatarisa rine cucumber iri, this one is ready for the market. Saka zvatinoita, we use this clip. Iro clipper iri rinotibatsira kuti tiricheke cucumber redu zvakanaka, risingaite se 1 hari bruise, 2 rinonatsocheka patiri kuda chaipo. Saka tinobva taridimbura saizvozvi tabvisa pamunda. Kana tabvisa tinobva tauya futi apa tobva tabvisa katipa aka because hatiri kuti kazokaucha madisease. Saka tinobva takabvisa. Kana tabvisa kudai tinobva tateera nespray, but shortly after harvesting tobva tatospraya kuti tiite se tisile this wound. from my disease. Kana tadaro, this cucumber goes on kunorepewa. Tinotanga rarepewa rotanga ragezwa. Tonga murikuona tuma residue tuma stains mushonga kuratidza kuti mushonga wecucumber richiwana richireceiva either spray or fertilizer. Saka tinonorigeza zvakanaka then robva razoenda kunorepwa. Rinorepwa richiri fresh like this risati raluza moisture yakawanda because we want to keep moisture rirambe riri as firm as possible rine mvura yaro because this is a water plant. Saka tinoda kuti rirambe rine mvura yaro yakaita yakakwana. Saka quickly tichingobva urigeza robva rarepwa final firm to preserve to maintain the moisture.
So this we're looking at my lens akaita senge aya. Something which can range between 33 to 39 centimeters. Although it doesn't limit you to that. We're looking at something that can even go up to 45 centimeters. But at the end of the day, I think maybe you might struggle a bit unless market yako yagara ichimada. I think another thing as well that you should determine kana uchida kumachanga ma cucumber is obviously the market as well. Market yako iruda mahombere, iruda achirakatetepa ere, iruda areba sei. Those are some of the things that you look at. And also speed ya cucumber rako kuti rizosvika pakukura kwaro. That's something that you want as well. You don't want something which can give you pressure. 3 days.
Good day to you all. I am Cynthia from Total Farm Solutions. Today I am at Kunze Vegs, whereby they are growing English cucumber in their greenhouse that was constructed by Total Farm Solutions. Today the farmers were being empowered on how to grow English cucumbers and how to have higher yields, and today many farmers acknowledge that greenhouse farming is something that you can embark on and get money. In this greenhouse we have 2 varieties. We've got the Dreamliner for Sitco and we've got Boreal from NTS. And this is some of the products that she is selling. She has different markets that she's supplying. Some are farm markets, some are supermarkets, some are restaurants, and also individuals that buy from her. Her product is already making noise on the market. It all goes back to good agronomic practices. We are assisting them with agronomic support. We started from soil samples, whereby we gave them recommendation based on the soil results that they got, and also on the crop that they should go for, and they were interested in English cucumber. And they did well with their first crop and targeting about 30 crops per plant. That is what inspired them to go for the second crop, also doing English cucumber. And now they have a second structure which they want to go with tomato. So we are saying today, if you want to go green, you want to start farming, you should start now and not wait for tomorrow. Total Farm Solution is here to empower you, to engage you, and to inspire you for the next productivity.